Hello, this is Nathan Wynn from A&A Inomatic. Today I'm very excited to share with you a tool that I built 5-6 years ago, but I just revised it so that I can share with you and give you the opportunity to buy the file as the tool or the version where you have access to the VBA and able to modify the tool so that it works better for you. It is a mass rename tool that you can rename hundreds of files in a single click. What it will be able to do is to proper the name, update the extension file, etc. with ease. Let me show you. First, we click the load files. We navigate and select the folder that contains the files. 16 file imported. This is the original names. This is the new name. They're practically the same until we update it. Here is the folder that contains the files. As you can see, the files in the subfolder do not load here, just the immediate under this folder. We first take the action. I would like to remove all the special character in here. I go ahead and remove special characters, and these are specified in the admin tab in the system variables. These are just separate by comma without spaces. These are all the special characters that should not be part of the naming. However, you will get to update it if you would like to. For now, we go ahead and click on prepare name. You can see all the special character has been removed. Please note, nothing has physically changed, just the preparing of the new name is changed. I would like to trim it. Trim here, by definition, is remove the extra spaces between words. And if I am to click this, it removes all the spaces that are necessary. I would like to proper it. Again, proper is capitalize the first letter of each word. Click. Because it is in Excel, we get to manipulate the data quickly and easily. Here I have a lot of FILEE, and I would like to mass update to file. I can do so by simply select everything here and place R. Please remember to just select on the new name because you would like the original name to stay the same, because eventually the macro will go out there and look for this file to rename to the new name. So they need to be valid file name. If you are happy with the selection here, we would then proceed to rename it. We close this dialog here, click rename file. Are you sure? Click yes to confirm. I am sure. Therefore, I click yes. The action took place. It says rename here. As you see, nothing has been updated here because I like to leave things as well, so you know it's just an indication that it has been renamed. I went ahead and back up the original information, the original name, and the equivalent new name in case we need to reverse back. Let's check the folder. As you can see, it has been renamed. In the event, if you need to reverse back, do not load the file from the folder because each of the new name here is a valid file. All we need to do is take the new name here, replace it in the original because everything is still pointing to this folder, and we would like to copy the original name. We want to keep things aligned so that this file name here can reverse back to its original file name. Let's test it out. Rename, yes, and everything is back to before. The VBA for that is not too crazy. The majority of the code are on sheet 1 because I have the ActiveX control drop down here and the button here. The drop down here, if you go to property, you see that it taking the list from Excel action list. Excel action list is this list here. If I turn back on the formula bar, you can see action list is this group of cells. Of course, if you add more feature, you can increase the size of this with more, but you have to add in your new VBA for the new action. In this prepare name button, if you double click on it, here is the select. This is just a color. In each of the action requested, it will call an equivalent function such as proper name, trim, lower the name, upward the name, the special characters, remove special character actually, lower extension and upper extension. Here you can see the extension is uppercase. If I want this to be a lowercase extension, let me go ahead and get out of design mode, lower the extension, prepare, and that will go. I'm not sure if this rename will work because we already renamed, and if we attempt, it will just fail because file name 10 is no longer exists. It is file whatever it is original. So let's redo this. Load file, select the fake files, get it, change this to lowercase, and rename. If you look at here and refresh, the extension is now all lower. I will put a link in the description to my Etsy store. There you can buy the file as the tools to use. You won't have access to the VBA, but you get to use the tool here for a very low price. If you pay a little bit more to support me, I will send you the file with the password to unlock the VBA so that you can customize and add more feature or just to seek to understand. Oh, thank you so much for sitting through this video with me. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and I hope you support me by buying the files or just come back and join me on the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.